guys, it's Fidget Spanner Isaac here with more Fidget Spinners. Okay, so the first one that I want to show you was £2. It has little balls around it and it spins very fast. £2. Okay, this one was £4, but I cut it down to £2. And it's a plastic blue one. It's a really cracking good deal. And this one, I didn't do any deals on this. I paid £5 for this one. It's a millet, £5. And I got this one for a very good deal. It was £2 for this one. It's a metal cheese block. And I've got a pink one of that. I think I showed you guys. I've showed you it in one of my videos. 50p to pink one. It's this one was 50p as well. It's a green fidget spinner. Green one. And then I have this yellow one. It's fast. That was 150. The one with the yellow one with the metal balls. 150. I'll show you. That's 150. Okay. And I've sold this one before. It was £2. This one. £2. This one was £5. Spider-Man. Let me zoom into that one so you can see its face. There, I'll spin it. It's a bit like the Captain America one that I got for £5 as well. And my teacher and Battalion High School, her name is, if you ever been to Battalion High School, leave a comment down below saying that, oh, I've been to that school, or Battalion High is a great school, or whatever. So the teacher, Mrs. Mullen, she gave me this for free. It's a light thing. If you have epileptic, I'm sure you would. I'm sure you should watch this. Because you might see the fit by watching it. Okay, and that's it. And I've got that one. This one, £2. It's plastic. And I've got 2 more fidget spinners. The other ones will be in a separate video. So this one was a £5. It's Iron Man. I've got another Iron Man. It's a £5. And thank you for watching this video. Like it, if I dislike if you didn't like it, subscribe to IsaacZ12 and watch some IsaacZ12 more videos, and leave a comment and subscribe for more. Bye!